Orere mitaratara irathi na mbere kugathikwo ya kuhurana na ugwimi wa njogu ni undu wa miguongo. First Lady Margaret Kenyatta niongereire uritu itemi-ini riri guku akiruguria kampeini ya guthomithia a Kenya bata wa kugitira na guikarania wega na nyamu. Kampeini eno eruguriirio nyumba-ini ya KICC kuria ikundi cia andu matiganite ciukite hamwe niguo makorwo magithii na mbere na guthiururuka matura-ini matiganite guku bururi-ini magithomithia muingi kunyihia ngucanio gatagati kao na nyamu na makiria njogu na uria.
Encouraging to know that an issue that is so critical to our country and our continent in our time is being tackled not just from top down by bureaucrats through policy, but bottom up too, through initiatives like this one.
First Lady Margaret Kenyatta ni atugeirie murugamiriri munene wa Elephant Neighbors Center Jim Nyamo ni gukorwo arehete andu hamwe aria mari na muoroto mwe wa kuhurana na ugwimi wa njogu.
You have my eternal admiration, you have my unreserved support, and I look forward to witnessing the policy changes that emanate from this campaign.
We as Kenyans, it is our responsibility to take care of the wildlife.
Gikundi kiu gikuhuthira thiku igana rimwe ria 35 guthie kilomita 3,200 kuma Nairobi nginya Dar es Salaam, Kampala na gucoka Nairobi niguo gutigirira ni makinyira andu aingi githomo-ini gia kugitira njogu. Gerifotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.